Your back, dragging on them back like that. I guess nobody ever told you how you must hold on to. It's you, it's you, it's you. One day, all them bags don't get in your way. One day, all them bags don't get in your way. I said one day, all them bags don't get in your way. One day, all them bags don't get in your way. So
Microphone check. Microphone checking. Ain't no problem, bro. No problem, Mr. XO. All right. Well, we're on, so let's go. Just because I really love you. We're gonna start. Let's go to a blink chart. How's the old Coinbase chart holding up these days? Good. It's holding up good. Good. That's what I wanted. We're on the 4 hour, so yeah, you know, like some wicks, but then we start getting into some candle bodies. Anyways, I was just more or less saying that a while back that what do we want? We wanted this fixed range volume profile thing. That yeah, you know, we had a value area low here. We had a little bit of demand underneath the value area low, but I just wasn't expecting a higher high due to the fact that we were under bearish 4 hour market structure. And so yesterday, yeah, I was talking about coming up to this POC. I feel like it read differently on some other charts. But lower high, lower low. All I'm trying to say is lower high, lower low. All I'm trying to say, man. All I'm trying to say, man. Hey, bro, go away, bro. Delete, delete. Control Alt Delete. Oh God, this chart's a wreck already. Get this thing out of my face. Yeah, so lost that low, retested supply. Break bearishly here. Internally break bearishly here. Meaning that after this low, you can't return your 15-minute to bullish market structure until you clear that high. And there was the boop, boop with the inefficiency right here. So I've surmised this morning that we wouldn't even clear this 5-minute high right here. That's what I was surmising this morning. You know, could be some turbulence in the zone right here. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, let's put it this way. If we were to have, since we have initiated and we have not mitigated prior to any continuation, I would say that this zone right here may very well provide the lift for said mitigation prior to said continuation. So, for that reason, I feel as though it is responsible to go pay myself some money. What the fuck is happening over here? Yeah, let's just secure some profits in that thing, and you know, might be able to even add those profits back in. So that's all I'm gonna do. Well, I mean, I posted my Bitcoin thoughts before going live today, so I don't need to spend a whole lot of time on this chart. We go back to that. Let me go back to here. Let's go back to like the daily. I need to delete this from my template. It's driving me crazy. Yeah, I'm still looking for the completion of this range in general, which is why that's my target. We've got some demand right underneath that. So, you know, generally looking to move below that low and possibly rotate up off of that demand. Going to be very cautious about a big bearish close at 112. But I think y'all know about that. I do. I feel as though y'all know about that. Oh, I gotta remove the sidechain compression from this still. How do we do that? Filters? Compressor. Just delete it. Just delete the compressor. You know, I think you have both decisional and extreme supply here. We're in the decisional point right now. I'd say you have some extreme kind of area of supply up here. But you know, you're gonna start returning market structure to bullish to get to the higher zone, right? I mean, kind of. This is really ugly right in here. It's super ugly. What does the volume look like in this area? Yeah, I would suggest that we probably wouldn't be very bearish to clear this first zone here. It'd be moderately bullish. Essentially, what, a retest of orb right now? Is that about right? Is orb in 654, 644, 643, 645? Jesus, giant orb. Yeah, whatever. This is you have your initiation. Is this your mitigation prior to continuation? That's all I can say here, guys. That's all I can say. Yeah, I guess maybe we just hang out here and see what happens. Good morning, TUSDT and XO and Nonstop and Laura Lee and Kulat and Dex and The Quantum. Top of the morning, people. I got in higher. Sorry. I put in a half a position before market open, and I put in the other half position right after market open. This could be positioned a little bit better for an ad. I don't know about adding my profits back in here. I don't want to see it come and then roll back up. I don't know what's going to happen here. Because I'm not psychic. What do y'all want to look at? Adjust those music levels a little bit. What do y'all want to look at? Matrix, what's up, dude? What's up? Ooh, we got topside wicks. Tray in a row, topside wicks. Yeah, Tui just got listed on Robinhood. Let's do it. CFX, huh? Dude, my CFX chart is so wrecked, but we'll just go delete everything on it. Let's set a couple alerts on Bitcoin and move on with our lives. I currently am interested to see if this gets hit before this. And so that's where I'll set my alerts, and then we shall move on. CFX, yeah, my CFX chart's a wreck, homie. It's a wreck, but you've given me a reason to fix it. I mean, 15,696 is kind of interesting to me. If 15,696 does not hold, then it's time to recover the rest of this old gapperoni here. Where's other interesting levels on the chart? Let's get the center of this cleaned up. My last CFX thoughts were up here. Oh, let's keep cleaning. No, I don't want the cool yellow box to go away, man. I was so proud of that yellow box. I don't want to delete it. Yeah, we'll put some attention. Not that kind of attention, bro. Chill out. Let's put some attention on that zone there at 11. And then this guy. Yeah, it's literally the only things I'm interested in. One, oh, come on, bruh. 1 and 2 and 3. That's it. That was quick. Sweet. Let's drop to the 4 and just see if it looks any different. No, there is just a hair of demand below that too. A little hair, a wee little hair of it. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. Sui. Took a peeky. Let me go back. Sui, 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 sui. Well, Robinhood listing, huh? So the asshole did not ever come back where I wanted it to. So sad. You get SFP'd instead. Yep, SFP'd instead. Smash through your low. Confirming supply in that area. Let's jump to the 15. SFP'd your local high. So you did your initiation, mitigation, continuation, and then you came back and SFP'd your strong high. So down. Okay. Let me get back to the 4. Liquidity targets below. We still got this SFP over here, providing weakness down to here. Yeah, blue arrows are potential long zones. Oh, that's why we came back for that high. Actually, I had a little chunk of demand there. Nice initiation out of it too. Oh no, that was our mitigation. Yeah, never mind. That was our mitigation. My bad.
Everything that's alive grows from a tiny seed. You know, the little tomato
Kiki
seeds
poo?
you and Nancy planted in your garden, how they grew into nice babies are
Let's see here.
How come, Dad? How are they different?
As far as this range of price goes,
like this.
primary structure up from the low. Actually, this is a mixed bag. It's not primary structure. It's like secondary structure. Breaks here. Primary structure would flow more like, yeah, primary structure flows differently. It's here, here, here. That's your more primary structure. We've got demand down in this low. So to me, this only means targets like this. I'm sorry, like this and this. It does not equal this. You have to break that low to equal that because that is your primary structure. Though, I mean, let's be honest, if price is down here, why wouldn't it just pull that low? And so essentially post-bearish break, you have this range of price here. You have, let's go to the 2 minute. You have an order block of supply right here. Yeah, currently, I'm not so sure it clears that supply, but that'll be up to BTC primarily. Yeah, it'll primarily be decided over on this chart. Boom, 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 boom. This guy appears a pending bullish break of your primary down structure. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. Boom, and let's label that as pending boss because that is going to break your primary down structure back to bullish. And so you're currently in the premium of this range of price. Bruh. Bro, I was trying to show my premiums and shit, man. Just hit premium right there. Yeah, we'll take a look at ETH next. Nick, what up, bro? And if I didn't say good morning to the Quantum and Matrix and Celephant and Knights KJ and Just Cover It and Serpent God, then good morning. Let's take a peek at ETH, and then we'll go take a look at Sol on this 177, 185 vibes. You know, E is always going to be after B, bro. It's always going to be there. Yeah, it's kind of bearish. Okay, so we leave breadcrumbs on our charts so we know to look for stuff like this. So I would say we have initiated below the low. And okay, let's get down to the 15. Okay, so potential initiation below the low. Primary down structure flowed as follows, meaning primary down structure from your local high does not break bullishly until here, from this local high. So this is supply. And then you've got a blowout out of the highs this morning. You have some weak demand right down here. Let's keep on dropping. Let's get down to the 2. Yeah, kind of ugly between this high and this low. Fairly ugly. I mean, on the 1, you have a hump here, meaning that the structure, the primary structure from here to here, does not break bullishly until here. Ooh, what button did I hit? I hit the wrong button. So, yeah, it feels as though down could be in store. Let's reduce this because it's fucking annoying. Maybe a little dip down into here, completing your initiation below this low to lift back up from some manner of supply to head back into some manner, lift up from some manner of demand to head back into some manner of supply for a lower low. Major target exists here. Oop. I deleted the one thing I didn't want to delete. Oh, we didn't post that SUI setup. I mean, it's too late, but I'm supposed to post these things. Can we go back to SUI, please? Yeah, too late. Way too late. Second break's already in. Or the break's already in, too. Because now it's, now this looks more like this. So, too late on that one. Wouldn't have done anybody any good anyway. Hey, thanks. Alex O Crypto. What's up, man? The legend. The man. The myth. How you doing, man? How you living? Yeah, so I think Sui's a little too late to post. ETH. Can we get something together on ETH? Get the fuck off my chair. Sorry. Excuse my French. I mean, I think for decent risk reward, you got to target below that low. Oh wait, but we were going like down, weren't we? Oh yeah, we were going down there. Yeah, so essentially where this blue junk is right here. Just wait to confirm supply in this area with one of these. It's probably more of an initiation than we're gonna get there. Well, I hope it's more of an initiation than we're gonna get there. And yeah, look to run back into here down to a target like that. In all reality, like probably right to this section that we're at right now. If we can get some inefficiencies going out of this area, you know what I mean? Like really start printing down. Oh, look at that. Which alarm went off first? We've already teed some P on this one, Alex. You should be proud of me. I teed P on this thing. But we didn't add the P back in. We didn't put the P back in. Oh yeah, and then yeah, Solana. Were we done with ETH? Yeah. I mean, yeah, I don't really like a path between, if I'm looking between this high and this low, I don't love a path to the low. We're already at equilibrium. So I don't really love a path to the low. I'd rather wait for this. So we'll move on to Soul of the Anas. This still oh, never hit the juice zone, man. What a monkey knuckle. What are we talking about? 185 or 185 or 177 first. Okay. That was the question. Nice specific question. So you're 185. You said 185, didn't you? Yeah, 185. So your 185 is these highs up here. And I would say your 177 is likely to happen first. Let's get some of this stuff cleaned up here. I don't think we need that anymore. Let's just get all that cleaned up. In this range, S&P to ties. Ran back and broke its low. Placing your supply right where we are. Let's drop to 5. Yeah, I'll probably short it from where it's at. Safely, I would say you need to cover that high. Definitely target that. Shoot down towards your 177. Yeah, probably something like that. Something like that. Next 24 hours, Bitcoin? I don't know, let's go see. Next 24 hours, let's measure that. So we're not just, you know, fucking making shit up here. Forecasting and measurement. 24 hours. Bro, where'd my time scale go? Date and price range. Dude, don't do this to me. Don't make this annoying, Bitcoin. Don't make it annoying. It's probably a better way to do this. 1 day, 20 hours, 1 day. Yeah, very possible. Very possible to get down to this guy within 24 hours. It's a little, I mean, like, I feel like that's a pretty sharp, let me put it this way. Here's the most important saying. I don't want to be at this low in 24 hours. That is too far, too fast. Because I'd like to see this low hold, because I love all you people. No, I do not want to come screaming down to this low like this. No, let's not do that. Let's not do that. So next 24 hours, I don't know. I mean, it's possible to hit the low, but I don't want to see that happen. I personally do not want to see that happen. Bro, my fucking short yesterday was stupid. I swear I got more than 8 out of that thing. It was dumb. It was dumb face. Hype? Is that the one that we keep forgetting to add to our list? I got drawings on here. I still don't know if this is the chart we used the other day, though. Oh, you asshole. Well, I know what I was hoping for. But it didn't happen. But it didn't happen, man. It didn't happen, man. Alright, have we turned structure bullish between here and here? Because we more or less achieved premium of this range. Pretty dang close, right? Is it pretty close? Yeah, we got to premium. Not only we get to premium, but we hit supply. And yeah, so we didn't really flip any structure bullish, so targeted low, as in it was already weak to begin with, because you have not cleared this high. You have to clear this high to turn this weak low into a strong low. I mean, in the interim, probably, well, it's probably not long there. I think the risk to reward is kind of gone on this. You got to anticipate lower lows. Do we have any reason to anticipate lower lows? I mean, this was an SFP on a lot of different charts indicating weakness on levels like this. So maybe we can shoot for a lower low. Tell you what, you're going to get some turbulence here. So, and that turbulence could be very significant. That turbulence could, because this demand to me has already been mitigated. Let's go ahead and just get it off the chart. Dude, come on, man. Come on with these buttons, bro. Yeah, so it's quite possible that that this mitigates you clear back up into this prior range here. So yeah, I think that should be, I mean, obviously, you know, you'd target that anyway, but I think you should close here, because that could be a mitigation up into here for just another run at it, right? And then you get like kind of permission to sort of target the low out of it. Something along those lines, more or less. And look at me go, not posting shit. So bad, guys, I'm so bad. So yeah. I guess we'll post this. I don't know, something like that. I'm not. I feel like I fucking got real lazy with that drawing there. But honestly, it's all guesswork anyway, so y'all will forgive me, I'm sure. Live TA. Let's go to the live TA. Would y'all BTC SFP 5 minute? Oh, you're talking about this thing, this low here. Yeah, but let's just look at this together. So like you have a low down here, that, yeah, you could get some like love off of, right? But we've already built another supply range. And we have initiated from it. We have not mitigated it prior to continuing. So this is not a problem to me. Nor is it a justification for a long, in my opinion. Yeah, Serpent God, you may very well be right about that. I personally do my best to not pay attention to the news. I don't listen to it. Dude, what happened to BNB? Because it was doing things that were confusing me yesterday, and I don't even remember what those things were. Yeah, it was the fact that it was coming back up to that high. But ouchie Wawa after the break. Did you nip this low? Kind of weak. Yeah, I think that's down still. Sorry, I just got curious there. Oh, now I'm curious on Arrow too. Now I'm curious on Arrow. Give me the Arrow chart. Yikers, man. Yikers. Hey, dude, look, I'm at 882 subscribers on YouTube. Considering I try and play music to get my streams removed from 173 different territories, it's not so bad. Let's see. If we get a 200-point cut, though, this is huge. We will soar in the contrary. 888. 888. Oh, you got me at 888? Problem, it gets 1,000 subscribers one of these days. It's fucking wild. Then I'm gonna probably have to. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, Alex. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, man. I'm not. I mean, like, I don't know, bro. I'm just an otter doing YouTube streams for other otters. That's all that's happening over here. Over here. So I don't know how I feel about 1,000. I feel like the algorithm wants to like grab you by the balls at that point, start serving you up all over the place. You know what? I'll just continue to play music to get my streams banned from 173 territories. We should be safe. We should be safe. What else do we have? Did we look at ETH? Yeah, we did look at ETH. What else you got? What else you got, guys? It's only 7:24 in the morning for me. That gives me like another 45 minutes of yapping. No, Alex, bro, I love you. Stop, man. The whole reason that all of this happens, for me included, dude, is because of you. There's no way I would be where I am in my trading journey without Alexo Crypto. Impossible. Impossible. All credits due, man. All credits due. All right. What else we got? Algo. Yeah, that's a good choice. I'm interested in Algo. Let me kick this down the line. I've got Algo. I got a decent bag of Algo. I'm so bad at selling spot. I'm so bad at it. This whole thing needs to be cleaned up. I've been staring at that stupid position forever. Yeah, go away. So there's almost a distributive looking top here. That last peak is a little high. How high did it go? Didn't take that one out. Took this one out. Little uninteresting there. No. Go away. So let's look at the more interesting stuff of what essentially has been going on between these 2 points of price right here. Well, after the high, you came back and you broke some primary structure, creating supply on the chart. Hit that supply. Let's get this down to the new low. And then you break some structure here. Putting supply back on the chart. I can tell you that your primary structure from here to here did not break until there. So you have a sell to buy to sell here, breaking structure and providing an inefficiency. So between this high and this low, there's more supply. And then you SOP'd your local high this morning. Like many things did. Go figure, right? Bingo. Break structure here. Retest here. Target here. All old news, right? So let's get out. Let's zoom out a little bit and see if we can find something else that makes. Yeah. Okay, let's borrow some stuff here. Let's go ahead and clean this up. All right, so once we hit this low, which is going to happen, right? Once we pop that guy, then your primary structure from this high is going to flow like this. Right, so what's going to be in that hump right there? Supply. Has it already been retested? Yeah, it has. But I would suggest that this here would be your pending bullish break, right? Because if you were to turn around and do this, well, market structure would be pretty bullish at that point, right? Is there demand in here? Yeah, but we already hit it. We already hit it, y'all. We already hit that demand, so I'm not worried about that anymore. What in the hell am I trying to say? I'm trying to say somewhere between this high and this high, I would expect a mitigation for continuation. See if we can find what is going to cause that. I would say this 12-hour order block here is probably going to be what causes that. That's what I would suggest. It's just a hypothetical high, right? It doesn't exist yet. We're just trying to anticipate where it would be. Doge for a long. Let's see. Let's look at Bitcoin again real quick. Oh. Oh. Ew. 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 What do we do? Doge for a long? I'm gonna guess the answer's probably no, but it could be a little scalpy. I wouldn't long until 21. Yeah, I'd long down there. You see this little snippet demand already here, right here, already tried to work, right? It attempted to work, but what could it not do? It could not overcome supply. And anytime you see just a rule of thumb, you can choose to take this advice or not. Totally up to you. But when you see price approaching a low in a near vertical manner, the probability of that low SFPing and coming all the way back to the high is really, really low. It's very low. So I don't suspect you're going to see any love there. What is this line? Oh, we're interested there. Yeah. So let's just move this. Let's just put it down here, and let's just say that is the area in which is a it's a maybe. Where's our 4-hour high? 4-hour highs up here. Still unmitigated supply above it. I don't know, man, but I do know one thing. I need to responsibly go pay myself some more money. And I don't even have my stop loss and profit yet because I'm a loser. So let me fix things. Let me fix things. Getting a little bit of lift right there. What's that all about? Oh, yeah, I see you. Bitch, you can't hide from me. Oh, no, wait a minute. Wait. Where are we? We're over here. There's something right in here. Oh, I can't find it. It's going to make me so sad. I hate how the chart hops everywhere. Fine. Whatever. I don't care anymore. Don't care anymore. Probably short-lived anyway. No, I mean, I can target one in the bag, huh? Nice, dude. Well, you should have your target one in your pocket right now. Don't be greedy. Alex? No, I'm gonna make, bro. You don't even know, bro. I haven't even started making you blush. I'm taking it easy on you, homie. Believe me, it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. What else do we have, people? All right, what do we have? What do we got? So we're kind of reaching the point in the day where we've, some significant initiations have, well, I mean, that's not an initiation. Yeah, so I mean, we're at the point now where we can start looking towards yeah, I'm uncomfortable about SFPs here. I already made my case, but we can start looking for areas on charts that could potentially be retested for lower highs and lower lows kind of thing. So we could, probably pick out some midday to afternoon style trades if you all have any charts that you want to look at. Big, you should love this community because it's the best out there. You want to know why it's the best community out there? Because Alex cares more than everybody else. It's that simple. All right, guys, I'm gonna need something to talk about, man. I'm gonna need something to talk about it. You were spot on XRP yesterday. Yeah, I think I was. I think I was. Yeah, I think I was. I think this went into this. Yeah. But has not quite nipped its target. Let's go cut this guy up. Let's go cut a rug over here. I kind of like the area between this wick and that wick. But I understand that my supply really starts here. So we're going to include that and emphasize the other one. With a big giant shit stop loss, it's your responsibility to refine that. I can't do it for you in real time. We're long on XRP, bro. It's my primary holding. We're long. I don't like it. I don't like it. God, I hope we can long 2.9. Let's get a slight manipulation below 2.9 and run this thing. That'd be fucking cool. See if we can make any sense of this idea. Let's see if we can find magic down in here. Start on the daily. No. 16. What's 12 look like? Ideally, in this kind of circumstance, this wick should be lower than the next wick. That's what it should look like to make me super excited. It does not look like that, so I'm not super excited about it. Bummer. Bummer it doesn't look that way. So let's go ahead and, yeah. Slight manipulation below that low. Motherfucker, I wish. I don't think it makes a lot of sense, but I wish. I mean, I think you're gonna see upward movement from that zone. I just don't know if it's gonna take out the all-time high. That seems like a big ask. That seems like a big ask. Dude, I've been absolutely on fire lately. On fire. If BTC drops to a bunch of ones, where would a good range to re-enter XRP be? Okay, so a bunch of ones on Bitcoin. That thing. Okay, so that's your your weekly or daily range on Bitcoin. Let's go Investorgate. Okay, so not weekly, that's like a daily range. Okay, daily. So XRP daily. It's this low right here. Right, so essentially Bitcoin's range is this, right? From here to here with an SFP of here targeting here, right? Okay, now let's just do the same damn thing on XRP. That would be here to here with an SFP of the range here for here. That would be the equivalent, so 2.72. So we should probably extend that stop loss then, huh? Makes sense. That makes sense. I am going to put on some higher vibe musics, and I'm gonna get me a refill on my coffee. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see what. Yeah, refilling coffee. I'll be. Where'd my music go? Where'd my music go? I like had music, and then it like stopped. There's my music. Where's my chat? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think what happened is I walked away so far that my AirPod disconnected, and then it stopped the music. That's what I'm pretty sure happened there. All right. Well, ouchie, chihuahua. But in the good news, you can't say you weren't warned. I'm pretty sure I warned y'all, like here. We hadn't hit the all-time high yet. I know that much. And I was like, buckle up, buttercups. Buckle up. Y'all have anything to look at, man? What was that? We did like gas the other day. What was that? Not gas? Natural gas? What did we do? It's like, but I feel like we were on like a NASDAQ chart. Oh, I think I was looking for a long on this. And yeah, I was, and it didn't happen. There was an initiation here, and I was hoping for a long out of here, and I was wrong. Took a soul trade next year. BT short. It's up a 1K. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I need more volume. I need more volume. I feel like the song after this one is like not my favorite. I might skip it. 171. Yeah, that's like the range low on XRP, right? Or on Sol. Yeah, this is the song I'm skipping. I don't want to deal with that. Sorry for the scrubbing of the music. It isn't too loud on your guys' end. Should be okay. Music level should be decent. Shouldn't be obnoxiously loud over my voice. I don't know. I can't tell everything. Yeah. So Sol. So Sol on the the Sol SFP'd its range too. So you should. Very logical to see complete rotation on that. Right? Yeah. Yeah. There's targets lower. There's targets lower on Sol because we have very similar positioning to BTC. Right, so there's targets lower on Sol. Let's get you where you belong, please. But I could see a lot of wait, 177, 170, 173.5. Be lower still. I don't know. I see a potential of some pretty good lift coming out of there that could come near entry, or whatever, like up into these zones. So yeah, good. You know what? Fuck it. Close the trade at 177. Fuck that. Take your money and run. Fuck those people. Drew, what did I miss? Oh, so my bad, Drew. I got you, bro. I'm dense, man. You gotta give me a. You gotta NEKKEI 225. This thing? Maybe this. This thing? I don't know, it just look like that could potentially be a significant initiation right here. This prior demand range has been mitigated. Nice V. Where's your daily structure break bearishly? Not until here. Has not exceeded a deviation threshold yet. That's for show. There's obviously a very important section of demand right here that props up your daily market structure, and a bearish close below 39,910 is really bad at this point. In the event that now, if we can continue to, God, that still would look like shit. If we can continue up here, that's way more better. It's way more better. But this is a problem zone in general. I think there's no reason not to expect higher low, higher high yet. There's zero reason not to expect that. But this equals this. Now, if you're scalping the thing, I don't know if I have enough data for that. Let's see. Just think about this locally. The range here that SFP'd. Attempted to SFP the high, pulled back, creating demand, and then broke the high. Mitigated demand, but you're under bearish structure to do so. So far, price never broke your. It's like 15-minute high or so. There's some mitigation here. That's intriguing. So there is mitigation here. And then this supply does not set a new low. Instead comes down, breaks up. Okay. It's just super internal. So this supply did not set a lower low, but this demand did not set a higher high. So pretty undecided internal structure here, and way the hell up there. Did we miss anything super important? We missed this. This is pretty important. I don't think the shorts are in yet. Of course, I've never seen this chart before. We still have no exceeded threshold. Well, there's not a bullish reason to bearishly close below this. Even though you don't really break external structure until over here somewhere, I still don't see a bullish reason to close below 43,420. This is the long. This is the first long I like down here, but you know, for up here, I think what I'd want is I'd want this. And I have no idea whether it's going to happen, right? I have no idea whether we're going to get a bearish close down here. But I know that if we did, I would be looking for this. Probably not to exceed this. For the most part, I'd say that's my thoughts here. We can look at it the opposite way and surmise that if we can make a significant initiation up here, that we just simply look for the opposite. That would require price to come up to here, breaking this before this, placing demand in this general area. Up to and including that area. Yeah. That's all I think I have locally for you, though. I don't think I got anything else, bro. If Drew even hung out for it, maybe he bounced. Because I wasn't fast enough. Aw. My music got shut off. What happened on, what's going on? Oh my God. Got so quiet in my fucking head right now. Jesus, it got quiet. Jesus. Oh, we already back tested? Eek. Hold please. I gotta get some music going. We gotta get some music going, but my wife stole my SoundCloud. Let's put on some reggae music. Let's dive in here. Kind of a weakish.
You're in tune to the sounds of the original DJ Vadim. You hear?
But that's a poor low. It's a super poor low. Goodbye.
DJ Vadim!
Start at the beginning of the mixtape. Let's go to some reggae, man. The music is drowning out your voice. Well, I'm glad somebody mentioned something. Because my intention was not for it to be that high. So I get from removing that sidechain compression. Sorry, y'all. I could turn the music off for you. It'd be a difference for me. All right. Well, I mean, I I guess whatever. It's getting close for me to call it done. So I guess I can just say goodbyes and stuff. We go take a look, or we want to take a closer look at anything before I hop off. You know, I'd really rather leave that on there. Can we just take these off? Baby, baby. Oh yeah, I'm taking a closer look at it. No, this is still the most significant zone in my opinion. Oh no, because we've initiated below the low, but then we nipped it. Yeah, I'm trying to find something interesting here. Could we retest the 15-minute order block for more downside? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm trying to determine right now. So it's very possible, Luke. I would say that it is very possible, which is why it was important to take more profits at or below this low, because your initiation is in. And is that the mitigation? I'm less than convinced that is the mitigation, right? So if we were going to mitigate for continuation, it is definitely possible to come back for that, yeah. What's volume look like? Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't really want to engulf this candle. Go away, bro, go away. This guy here. A lot of bears in that candle. A couple thousand of them. 4.27 thousand of them or so. Maybe more. Yeah, there's like 4,333 bears in that candle. But you may not engulf it, right? Like you may just... It's possible. I don't know if it'll happen, but it's possible. Yeah, so... It is also possible that that was your back test. That is also possible. Jasmine, ain't seen that one in a hot minute. Be my pleasure. I think it'll be my last one, and then I'm out of here. Get out to the daily and see what's up on this thing. All of a sudden I have to piss like a racehorse. Sorry, give me a sec.
Sometimes I sit down and I wonder, what would life be without you?
I listen to a funny variety of fucking music. Okay, so expecting a little bit of lift out of that. I don't suspect that lift clears this. And I don't think the 15-minute time frame helps me much here. So that would be an initiation below this low.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, so probably something, I would expect something a little bit along these lines.
Strictly lovers reggae, lovers rock, roots and reality.
We do have failure to close here. We do have demand here. Yeah. There's some different time frames. Found you, dickhead. Ah, fucking lied. I didn't find you. Fucking lied. I lied, damn it. There it was. Any divergence in this area? Yeah, skosh. I don't know, whatever. That's still how I feel about it. La 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 la. Should I sell my losing trade or just wait? What are we? Just a sub. What are we talking about, bro? BTC getting pegged right now. Oh, it's getting pegged right now. BTC getting pegged right now. What does that mean? What does that even mean? I don't know what that means. Just a sub. I don't know what you mean. Did I miss it? Have you been yelling at me this whole time and I'm just an idiot? BTC 1 minute is ass. Don't know what to do. BTC 1 minute is ass. I don't know what we're talking about, bro. I don't know what we're talking about. Did you try and long an SFP here? Because you didn't even have the 1 minute on your side, if that's the case. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Kelly fans. All right, guys. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's past 8 o'clock. I'm gonna hit the road, man. I'm gonna hit the road. Let's go have a good day. Let's go do something productive and I don't know, positive or something. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go do stuff. Let's go do stuff, man. Y'all have a good one. I'm out.